Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a gamepad to your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone. So the first thing you're going to do is grab our controller and then enable it into Bluetooth mode. So to do that on the DualSense, you're going to hold the share button and the PS home button at the same time until the light starts blinking. So there we go. Once the light starts blinking, we're going to open up Bluetooth on our phone, and then just scroll to the control tab from the top to the bottom, and then hold on the Bluetooth button, and then click on Pair New Device. And here in the list of nearby devices, you should see the DualSense wireless controller, or just the name of the controller that you're using. And click on that to connect. Click Pair to allow it. And now, as you can see, the controller has been connected. I'm using the arrows to control the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.